Alright guys, what's up? Dave here. Here's the updated video to my trailer so far. There it is. Watch the rest of this video to see the build. Alright, got my bottom piece cut here. Just my two sides there. Just putting a heavy coat of paint on the bottom of this because this is going to be exposed on the bottom of the trailer. So, try and help waterproof it a little bit. Alright, just to give you guys an idea of what this is gonna look like. There it is. I gotta put a wheel well on there. Psych! Yeah, not even close to done. Give you an overall view here. I think it's kind of cool. It's bigger than I anticipated, but I see this being kind of dual use. I can tow it behind the side by side, and if I want to take this, I can tow it with the Expedition, or I can take the truck as well. It'd be interesting. I got to secure this down to the trailer. I'm just gonna pocket hole screw this to here. But I'm pretty happy with how it's turning out. It's looking pretty good. I wanted to do it a little smaller initially, but this will be all right. All right, starting to lay out this back bulkhead here. This is gonna come down here, come over here, and down there, and then this will all be sleeping area underneath here, underneath that line. Thinking about making a platform that can fold down. Got a couple dogs that might need to sleep in here. I don't know, we'll see. And then thinking about having this comes down here, but I might want more of a workstation over here as well. So I might build something that can fold down flat on top of here and then fold out to give me a bigger work area there for food prep, that kind of stuff. Also got my door hole cut out on this side here. This is the door over here. Nice little teardrop RV door. So anyways, time to get back to work. Back at it today. Getting ready to cut the inside panel here. Just got it clamped here. You can use a trim router, route that off. Wish me luck. I already started a little bit, and then I forgot I'm not filming. Gotta film this stuff. Alright, current status update. It's kind of what it's going to look like with the door on. Fenders aren't on yet. They will be. Sides obviously aren't finished. Today I installed this rear bulkhead in here. Give me some counter shelf to work on, some storage back here. And in here, just enough room for maybe 2 people to lay down, but me for sure. Garage is a disaster. Alright. Got my holes drilled here for that. And I know this is not the best option for an off-road trailer, but it's what fits in our budget. I'd love to have a lock and roll, but way too much coin. So we'll have to do this and hope for the best. Well, there we go. Got her connected up. I think I'm going to want to flip that hitch over, put the ball on the other side of it, pick up the tongue a little bit. As it is, it kind of dips a little bit down right there. Keep all that clearance I can. Still need to put the ceiling on and storage started here. But so far, I'm liking it. Pretty cool.